Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete Roblox account. So first you open Roblox application, then in the bottom right you will see more, you click on that, then you scroll down and you go to settings, then in the settings you will see the option privacy and content restrictions, you click on that, then here down you will see the option account deactivation and deletion, you click on that, then you click deactivate, you see the first option. Then you confirm, but when you do this action you can reactivate your account again. But if you want to delete it permanently, so you just close this one, you go back to more menu and you go and select this time help and safety. Then you choose the first option, help. Then you scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option contact us. You click on that. You can also use the web version. Then you need to fill in this form with your username, your first name, the email address for this account. Then here you select the device type that you usually use to play Roblox, which is PC. And then in the type of help category, you click on that. Then you scroll down and you will see the option I want to delete my account, you click on that. Also for the subcategory, you click on I want to delete my account. Then here in the describe of your issue, you just type that you want to delete permanently your Roblox account and you are not just want to deactivate it. Then click on continue, submit your request and wait until Roblox support respond you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.